little package from Topps today. Let's check it out. Topps now. Oops. Moment of truth. LeBron's Mookie Betts. Got 5 of them. See, we got it numbered. Wow, very cool. Don't see it numbered though. See those holograms on the back? It's pretty dope. No numbered though, so disappointing.